We are fueled up and ready to go. Ready to go for another drive. Welcome back to the man and the machine. Jumping around, putting the seatbelt on, safety first. We got a toy drive ahead of us. And I said drive. I will be driving, but not as far as this rally is actually going. Good cause. We are giving out or donating school supplies, no school supplies. Toys for Tots, I believe, maybe. All right, we made it here. Aston Martin. All right, we're gonna go check in here, see what's going on. Seems like there's some new cars shifted into the showroom, so maybe there've been some cars that shifted in and out. But this DBS, man, always in here, looking good. What? The black wheels. What do you think? I'm a fan. I think it matches the hat. Maybe I should just buy it just because it matches the hat. Fee over here, getting some production footage over here, getting some reindeer rally. I'll tag them in here. You guys will follow them. But checking out the cars that are pulling up for this reindeer rally, reindeer drive. And this Pirelli edition DBS just rolled up, and man, that looks good. Look at that. That's a beaut. Woo. Look at that thing. Wow. Danny told me that this car was showing up today.
And it sure did.
And it sure did. Look at that. He tells me something's gonna happen, and it happens.
I tell you hypercar. I tell you DB5.
100%. Follow Mr. Warpath, man. I got him tagged in this video.
Man of the machine. I still need a hat.
Yeah, I got you. I got
It's been like 6 months.
I put in a production order for another round, so they're coming.
Okay.
They're coming.
Yeah, wait.
All right, so let's walk down this aisle of Astons. This is my second rally for Aston Martin Houston that I've joined. Aston Martin Vanquiches. This thing looks pretty sweet right here. DB11, V12 Vanquish, S, V8 Vanquish. Everybody's looking at that DB5. Woo. My baby. I'll do a B-roll in a minute. Again, this is Juan Pablo's V12 Vanquish. S, he has the, oh look at that, little mic to get the real exhaust sound for his GoPro. That's brilliant. Oh man, and DBS. This one right here has got me kind of excited. That thing looks gorgeous. This thing is just immaculate. Like, the interior of this thing is gorgeous. I've never seen the interior of a DB5. Look at that, just absolute brilliance. And of course, we love the 3-pedal. What is that? Look at the air, min-max. That shifter is a 5-speed with reverse up in the corner. That's so brilliant. Wow. This is just mind-blowing. 100% mind-blowing. I gotta get just a nice 4K view of this for you guys before I do the 1080 B-roll. That thing just is mind-blowing. Wow. I can't get enough of this. This is our golden ticket. This is the unicorn of the meat.
Let it go.
So
Let it
good.
go and keep it on here about that one. And that's the only one.
Alright, give it to me. That's an exhaust. That's the exhaust I need to get. Thanks, Juan. I'll tag him in the video below. But that same car, kinda. So there's an exhaust for my car. Maybe I'll get it. It got a little cold. Rain came out a little bit. My car was already dirty, so I'm not too worried about that. But hopefully the roads stay dry. And now we got another 20 Astons, and the DB5 is still rolling with us. Which, what? How far will it go? Will it go the whole way? Man, do I have to follow this thing all the way? Don't know, but we'll find out in a minute. Man, DB5 is still with us. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. This is amazing. I did not think that thing would be driving with us on this drive. The DB5 has dropped out of the race. It pulled off into a retail shopping center, so after the highway driving, I think it's called its quits. But hey, that's a number of miles it got on it. I'm proud. I'm impressed. That's awesome. I don't think I would drive that car. I mean, I'd drive it to maybe some meets, but like on a drive, that was a tough one because that one's a very valuable car. We got off the highway driving. I think we're getting close to the back roads driving, but we do have a little bit of a challenge ahead of us. Oh, rain is coming! Oh no! We hate rain. roads are pretty nice, I must say. Nice and smooth back here. I'm kind of glad I did this rally. And now I know a little bit better of an opportunity for more rounds. Bring us some sunlight. Clear these clouds. But we're getting a lot of water spray. Watch the spray. Wait, no sound effects, please. Oh! It's awesome, man. I'm gonna head back.
Okay.
But the awesome rally, man.
Be safe.
You too. Be safe.
Yeah.
I did what I said I was going to do. I departed a little bit early. Not too early. I stayed with them for quite a bit. I think I got in, let's see, over 100 miles. I'll have over 100 miles for this drive today. I stuck with them for a bit. They're still headed towards the coast, and they're going to go over a bridge and make it to one final stop at Fisherman's Wharf and have some lunch. The drive was awesome. Thank you, Aston Martin Houston, again for putting that together. Hopefully you enjoyed the drive with me. The DB5 was definitely the icing on the cake, the cherry on top, whatever you want to call it. So please comment, like, subscribe. Until next time.
Racing is life. Anything that happened before or after, it's just waiting.